Question: which of the following results in the flow of funds? Options: creditors issued, bills payable. Option B: loss on the sale of machinery. Option C: transfer to general reserve. Option D: building sold on cash. Answer: option D: building sold on cash. The balance sheet is related to the income statement in the same way that options: a period in time is related to period of time. Option B: a period of time is related to a point of time. Option C: a point in time is related to another point in time. Option D: a period of time is related to another period of time. Answer: option B: a period of time is related to a point of time. The difference between the balance of a fixed asset account and related accumulated depreciation account is termed as options: A. liability. Option B. contra asset. Option C. book value. Option D. market value. Answer: option C. book value. Propriety audit is normally undertaken in case of options: joint stock company, government company, statutory corporation, government departments. Answer: option D. government departments. Question: government may order for cost audit under section 227, section 233A, section 233B, section 224. Answer: option C. section 233B. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India was established on options: A. April 1st, 1956. Option B. April 1st, 1949. Option C. July 1st, 1956. Option D. July 1st, 1949. Answer: option D. July 1st, 1949. Payment for building purchase should be vouched with the help of options: A. title deed. Option B. building account. Option C. correspondence with the brokers. Option D. cash book. Answer: option A. title deed. Auditor is not valuer was started in options: A. Kingston Cotton Mills case. Option B. London and General Bank case. Option C. Levy Neuchâtel Company Limited case. Option D. London Oil Storage Company case. Answer: option A. Kingston Cotton Mills case. Incomplete contracts should be valued on the basis of options: A. net profit of the period. Option B. 2/3 of net profit of the period. Option C. 2/3 of estimate profit of the period. Option D. none of the above. Answer: option D. none of the above. Question: government company auditor may be appointed by options: A. central government. Option B. shareholders. Option C. board of directors. Option D. none of the above. Answer: option A. central government.